Get down here, Merc!
Oh shit, I fucking dropped my sword. Hold on. Hold on. Hey,
Is this not serious?
Busters.
Kris, you're so cool.
Come on, there's no time to waste. Let's get moving.
I believe the reactor isn't too far from here.
Alright, so, what's the plan?
You wanna know the plan? Bet! It's real simple. We go in, plant the bomb at the reactor, leave without being noticed, and kaboom! Simple, right?
Well, that seems easy enough. They're setting the bomb to a minute, right?
No, just set it to 5.
Are you sure? We can just do one.
Why? Why would we
One's
set it to
plenty,
5?
like 5 minutes is so
No,
nice.
no, we're gonna blow
Well,
up.
we can start there. Fucking 5 minutes.
Set it to 5!
You got it, bro. Man, I could have sworn I said it to 5, but I mean, I told you we're gonna be fine with 1 minute. It shouldn't be that bad. Yeah.
God, we're all gonna die! Run! Everybody go!
My head. Wait. Noelle? Oh my god! Oh, Noelle, I'm so glad you're safe. I don't know what's going on. I saw Susie plant a bomb. I have a giant sword. My head is in the clouds. I don't know what's going on. Are you okay?
Noelle? Sorry, you must have the wrong person. My name?
Is Eric.
Fuck, what? I have got to stop playing video games so late. Oh well, guess I'll just go back to bed.
I will remember Kris Strife.
What the fuck?